Hey YouTube, today quick unboxing. I bought some floodlight LED light from wowled.com. These one are 4-inch square ones, 64 watts, 6,400 lumens. So there's 4 LEDs in each one. So there's a total of 64 LEDs. So 4-inch by 4-inch. Big heatsink in the back. They are IP67 rated for the water, dust, and everything. Looks like aluminum. Okay, comes from with the hardware kit. Just take the other one here. I think they have 2 ways of mounting them. You can mount them with the briquette, and there's even a way to put 4 screws here if you want to screw it from a back plate or something like that. So I guess you need to use the small one, put like that. Put the long one like this, lock washer, and the nut. And you fix this to whatever you want to put it. In my case, I'm going to use it on my boat for docking at night when it's really dark. I usually go fishing early in the morning when it's still dark, and coming back only at night when it's dark. You need to use this specified voltage, DC 10 to 30 volt. I'll just try to light it. Watch out. Okay, they look very bright. Yeah, that's going to be enough, I think. So that's it, guys. Just waiting to install this on my boat, and stay tuned for water testing these floodlights. Thanks for watching.